Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you in a super easy tutorial how to extend an Osmo Mobile 6 smartphone stabilizer just like this. Once again, these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. Now I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet. You can easily extend this smartphone stabilizer, which is the Osmo Mobile 6, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 to be more specific and more exact. You can easily extend it. It's really easy to do. I'll show you how to do it, and then I'll show you one of the main problems that people encounter that prevents them from learning how to extend it really easily. So essentially, you want to open it up. So you want to open up the actual smartphone stabilizer just like that, okay? It should turn on if it's charged up and you open it up. And then what you want to do is just take the top part over here and just pull it, but you got to pull it firmly. You're not really trying to rip it apart, but you got to pull it firmly. So check this out. I'm putting my thumb under here and I'm giving it a good pull, and it extends out, okay? When it's fully extended, you're gonna feel it stop, and I don't know the exact length, but it looks to me to be about the length of a standard ruler, which is like 30 centimeters, give or take, maybe a little bit less than 30 centimeters, maybe a little bit more, but around that. You can also pivot the top, which is really cool. You can see right here, you can pivot it just like that, which is really cool. I'm gonna leave it straight up, and when you want to retract it, you just push it back together. And the coolest thing is that it's almost like, it feels like it's magnetic. I don't know for sure because I don't see any magnets. I see screws in here, but no magnets. But it feels like when you get close, it clicks down, right? I could be wrong. It might not be magnetic, but it definitely feels like it clicks down when you get there. Now, the main reason why people have trouble extending it is because they try and extend it when it's closed. You see, when it's closed, this little axis right here is bumping up against this here. So if I try and extend it, it's not going to work because these two are pulling against each other. So that's why it needs to be opened up. And when it's opened up, you can extend it just like that. And that's it. It's literally that simple. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.